can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you.
I'm here with BGMgirl hair. Again, this is the package that we are working with for today's wig. Let's get into it. So at first I see the wig, which I'm gonna get into, and then there's a lot of goodies in here. I got a pair of lashes. I got this BGMgirl information card showing hair care and the usual, so that's cool. An edge brush and comb if you need it, some extra clips that you can like put on the inside of your wig. Alright, a branded BGMgirl hair headband, which is great for melting down your lace. I got two pairs of wig caps. One is a set of HD wig caps, and this is the regular pair, and this is like a dark brown color, really nice. And I also got a BGMgirl head bonnet. Yeah, and everything is branded there. Listen, really nice goodies in here. And then lastly, they sent a BGMgirl drawstring bag. You could use this for storage. So we got this gorgeous kinky straight bob, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so full and nice. Feels healthy, it looks good. It's 10 inches long and it's 180% in density, they say. It feels really good, guys. Like, you want to have that nice natural healthy straight textured look. I think this will do it. Like, it's so gorgeous. By the way, this is a 4x6 lace closure. It's a HD glueless lace closure wig, guys, and it's a natural color of the wig, as you can see. It looks really good. You know, so glueless wigs, they're trending, them around the place, and I love that because these wigs come customized. Like, a lot of them come customized for you already pre-plucked, pre-cut, glueless, super beginner friendly. You don't have to worry about going to the salon, spending a bunch of money to install these wigs. These wigs come ready to wear, so they're wear and goes, slip on and go, the most convenient kind of like wigs that you could find that look natural. Because you notice how the hairline looks really nicely plucked already. You don't need to go in and do anything further to it. No, it comes like that for you outside of the, straight out of a package. So I think it's a great investment if you're looking for one that's gonna look very believable, very natural, something you can wear go work. This is very fit for corporate, you know, wear to the office and look really cute. You know, you keep it professional, it's not doing too much, but it's still really nice and trendy. So I love that. Let's see on the inside of the cap how it looks. The dome cap construction. They added this elastic band. You know, if you need extra security, you could go ahead and adjust it. It's definitely adjustable, so you can make it as loose or as tight as you need it to be. So that's always convenient. There isn't any comb inside here, so if you don't like combs in on the inside, you have the option of putting them in, because they did put them in the goodie bag. So it's either you leave it without or you can add them yourself. So that's really good. So that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple standard construction going on. So I love that. Love. So now that I show you guys what we were working with today, let me go ahead and jump into it. Right off the bat, I adjusted the elastic band. I slipped this on. Do you see how snug this is? This is so snug. As I said, you don't need any glue, any form of adhesive for this installation. It is perfectly snugged. What the hell? You need nothing. Okay, it is perfect. Like, it is snugged. It's on there. It's not going nowhere. And the hair feels good right off the bat. The lace looks good. The only thing, you know, if you see that little cast, you just need a little bit of your face powder. You just tap that out and you're good to go. You know, I'm gonna do my really nice natural makeup beat with this and come back before I even go any further. So I'm gonna leave it on. Oh my gosh, this is so natural looking. Very light and natural makeup look. Yeah, super light, no lashes, kind of a fresh face. So now what I'm gonna do is just hot comb the top and run through this with my flat iron so it can be bone straight. I'm so excited. This cut is really nice and blunt, and it just makes everything look way healthier. So I'm loving that. So, you know, all the girlies who like a nice blowout natural vibe, you're gonna love this wig. And as I said, glueless, still no adhesive, and I don't need to apply any at all. So I'm just gonna fast forward through the portion of me, you know, using my hot comb and flat iron on this.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you, yeah. I can show you, yeah.
Guys, look at that movement, look at that flow. Like, that is gorgeous. Let me show you guys the back. It is, the movement is like butter. Is so nice and even and full, absolutely no shedding. So I have to give them a thumbs up for that, like double thumbs up. Like, yeah, they did their thing. It's laying flat, as I said, nice and glueless. It's giving, guys, nice natural color, like absolutely no shedding. So that's a good sign. I mean, I expect it to shed over time, you know, if you have it for a while, but minimally, like not like a lot of shedding. You don't need any baby hairs or anything. Beautiful HD lace. They did their thing on this, guys. 100% BGMgirl hair. You did it. Shout out to you. This wig is bomb, because if you're looking for something, you know, to just slip on and go that looks cute and give a realistic vibe, this is your wig. It's your wig. Perfect closure vibe. You know, I love it. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. You know, I'm going to be sure to put the link to this wig if you're interested in getting it for yourself down below in the description box. So go ahead, check that out for, you know, if you're interested. Also, the specifications will be listed. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look, though. I am so pleased. 10 out of 10, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Everything is more on the natural side today, but you know, it's giving. I'm loving it. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. I hope you found this video, this installation, you know, informative. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.